Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we apply the formula in here. So we have y ln s. Y and L and Y we put on the left, the S we put on the right. So we have dy over y L and Y equals to L and S ds. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate this one first. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to L and Y. So if we do first the derivative of this one, you have du equals to dy over y. So this one we change by u, dy over y we change for du. The integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u we have L and Y. Now let's go to this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So we will have about u equals to ln s. Du we have the s over s. dv equals to the s. So we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus du multiplied by v. So we have the integration ds. And this one we have s and we put about c. So this one we replace for this one. And now we got the final answer. This one that is about this one. This one that's about this one. And now you can get the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.